Okay, first of all, welcome to all of you in the new session of soft computing techniques, and we are just going to start our second unit, that is genetic algorithms. Okay, in this session, we will see the basic concept related to genetic algorithms. So let's move on. So here are some points that we are going to cover in this session. First, we will see the introduction, then we will see the concept of optimization, and then we will see what are genetic algorithms. Okay, so let's not wasting our time, and we are just going to start a session. So first of all, genetic algorithm is a search-based optimization technique based on the principles of genetics and natural selection. First of all, let me clear one thing, that genetic algorithm is mainly related to biology section, okay, in which different genetics processes are performed for producing a new and modified generation for better future. Okay, so in this concept of soft computing, we will see that what are the use of genetic algorithm. Basically, when we are talking about soft computing techniques, so for that, mostly for optimization techniques, genetic algorithms are used. Okay, so first of all, it is a search based optimization technique based on the principles of genetics and natural selection. So it is frequently used to find optimal or near optimal solutions to difficult problems which otherwise would take a lifetime to solve. It is mainly focused on the problems to find out the optimal solution. We cannot say that it will always find an exact solution, but it will find an optimal or near optimal solutions for the complex problems or for the difficult problems. Otherwise, these are the problems which would take a lifetime to solve. So in this type of problem solving methodology, genetic algorithms are used. It is frequently used to solve optimization problems. See, the main concept of genetic algorithm in soft computing technique is for optimization problems or solution of optimization problems. In research and in machine learning, these all are the areas where genetic algorithms can be used. Okay. So the next one is concept of optimization. We have discussed that genetic algorithms are mainly focused on to find the solution for optimization problems. So let's see the concept of optimization. So optimization is the process of making something better. Okay, say for example, if you are just creating a road, okay, in which basic objects are used, say for example concretes and stones and dammer, and these all are the objects that are using to creating a road. Okay, so what can be a solution to update these objects so that we can get a better road structure. For that, it can solve the existing problems if there are any. Okay, so we are just creating an process of making something better. Okay, so optimization is the process of making something better. So in any process, we have a set of inputs and a set of output. Okay, so whenever you are just taking any process, so you have to just providing the data for processing, which we are called input, and using some basic techniques, you have to process that data and you have to generate the output. So here is the figure. Set of inputs, that inputs will be processed, and based on that process the output data is generated. So optimization refers to finding the values of inputs in such a way that we get the best output values. Okay, so optimization, it is a process to find the values of inputs in such a way that we get the best output values. The definition of best varies from problem to problem. We cannot say that every time we will get the best solution for each and every problem. But here the best output value, that means we are just getting some better output result as per the input data. Okay. So the definition of best varies from problem to problem. But in mathematical terms, it refers to maximizing or minimizing one or more objective functions by varying the input parameters. Okay. If you are just varying the input data, it will directly affect the output data. Okay. So when you are just providing an input to any process or any methodology or any algorithm, and you are just modifying the input data, it will definitely affect your output data. Either it will maximize the output, or it will minimize the output. The set of all possible solutions or values which the inputs can take make up the search space. In this search space lies a point or a set of points which gives the optimal solutions. Okay. So input can make up the search space. Say for example, if you would like to find a value, say for example 39. So we will not directly search from 0 to 100, but we will search that the value is in between 21 and 40. So we will just find the starting point and ending point for the search space. Okay, so search space will be created for finding the inputs, and in this search space lies a point or a set of points which gives the optimal solution. So the aim of optimization is to find that point or set of points in the search space. Now let's see something related about genetic algorithm. So first of all, let's see who are the founder of genetic algorithm. So it is a subset of much larger branch of computation known as the evolutionary computation. Okay, so it is a branch in which every time the scientists, or what we can say that programmers or learners or researchers, always trying to find some new or better output or better result or with respect to existing result. Okay, so genetic algorithm, it is a subset of much larger branch of computation which is known as evolutionary computation. Now genetic algorithms were developed by John H. Holland and his students and colleagues at the University of Michigan. Now let's see what is the meaning of genetic algorithm. So genetic algorithm is a search-based optimization technique that follows the principle of genetics and natural selection in the field of biology. As I have told you earlier in the beginning of this session, that it is basically genetic algorithm is basically a research area of biology section. Okay, but in computation we can also apply the genetic algorithm concept. So the main purpose of this algorithm is to find optimal or near optimal solutions to quite a few difficult problems which are probably unsolvable or would take a very long time to solve using normal procedures or algorithm. See, genetic algorithm procedures are different than simple algorithms. Okay, in simple algorithms